Welcome to Hasan Zawaideh Camp, located in Wadi Rum, Jordan. This is where we're going to be spending the next 2 nights in a bubble tent. Let's go check it out.
All right, so there's the front where you'll come in with your vehicle, and then when you get in, you'll come up here left to the reception office. And the owner, he's in there now. And then straight ahead, you'll have quite a bit. You'll have rooms to the right and to the left back here, like I showed you. And here you have a seating area to the right. And then to the left, we have another seating area. This is like a dining area. So let's go in here really quick. Now you'll see more tonight. They got plenty of seating outside. Not a lot of people here right now. People are out doing different things. No smoking. But here's like a area where you can sit. Okay, and here's another it's a dining area, plenty of seating. And then if we keep going, this is the main dining area that we're coming to, and this got full last night. So, and we'll show you this tonight when we eat. Okay, so here's another seating area. And then here you have Hasan Cafe. They mainly have like chips, drinks. So you can see the little chips right here. We did get some chips when we came, so I can have a snack. But they don't have a whole lot, just something to hold you over. So back here is where you'll see we have like it's more seating, but they have like a pit in here. And they have like fire in the evening. Right, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was like a fire.
Yeah, like a little fire. You enjoy some tea. We did some dancing. It's an entertainment area. We kicked it. And just kind of waited for dinner to be ready, which was back here. So let me show you. Yeah, all this is the dining area back here. So back here is where we'll show you in a minute. But we had, this is where they cook the chicken under here, right? But it was chicken. Yep. That's the oven zarb. That's what it's called. So you have these little underground little cooking stations, I guess you could call it. And they cook chicken, lamb, potatoes, and it was delicious. Did you like it?
I did. Speaking of food, so with breakfast, it's from 7 to 10 a.m. Lunch starts at 1 p.m. I'm not sure what time it ends. And dinner starts at 7:30. 7:30 p.m. Yeah. But
come out, a little bit earlier, 7, sit by the fire. Mm-hmm. Well, depending on what time of year you come. Don't come out and by the fire in the summertime. And enjoy some of the entertainment. Because, honey, we was dancing. The time was happening. And if you're not in your room, to the right of the reception area, you do have toilets. So, just for you to be aware of, let's take a look at the toilet area. All right, so the toilets are back here. You got men and women's. All right, here's the women's. They got tissue, sinks and stuff. Oh, hey. Okay, now you see we have a different variety of rooms. And you have these little walkways in between so that you stay on track. Got a pathway over there as well. So let's take the path to our room. So you have all different type of accommodations. You have these little tents here, I guess, which I haven't been in one of those. Those are pretty cool too. But ours is these little little Martian. They're called the Martian.
Yeah, the Martian tent.
So, and like I said, we're in number 9. So let's go take a tour. All right, here we are at the Martian, number 9. All right, so when you first come in, here's a pan of the room. So you have a refrigerator here, have your nightstand, And there's the bed. It's pretty nice, you know, for a camp. This will be my 3rd time camping. We have 2 chairs, another little bed here. You do have your heat and air conditioner. You have a shelf here to store things. And over here we have the bathroom. I was wondering where Leroy was at. Hello. Toilet, shower. Not bad for a camp, y'all. Not bad at all for a camp. Not bad. So that's the room. And let me show you the view really quick. I don't know where Leroy is. Look at the views. Oh, he's out here. So outside of the room, we have these 2 chairs here with a table. And these are the views. Look at that. Nice, peaceful, and relaxing. Here he is, outside of his little chair. What you think about the room?
This is incredible. I love it.
It's a nice view, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's nice and comfortable. The guy at the reception was really sweet. So when we were picking this room, well, this camp actually, there were so many to choose from, and I'm like, what do I do? What do I pick? You know, and each one is rated, you know, different things. They all have their pros and cons and what makes them great. And so I was like, I don't know. I just want to have, you know, a good experience. And then some of the reviews on the different camps was real negative. And I'm like, I don't want to get somewhere and have to deal with, you know, certain things. So who ended up picking this one? Was it you or me?
It was me.
So Leroy ended up picking this one. And you did good, husband.
Later that day.
Pretty quiet tonight. Let's go in here and see what's going on. Look at the mountain. Ooh. Fire going. I got fire here. Woohoo. All right. Where's the tea at?
Here is our meal, which is called a zarb. A zarb is a traditional Bedouin cooking method where marinated meat and vegetables are slow cooked in an underground pit or oven, resulting in a flavorful and tender meal. Y'all, when I say that this meal was absolutely phenomenal, I am not exaggerating.
This way I can just go down. Chicken and lamb. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Just a little. That's good. That's just that. No, that's good. Just a little. Thank you. So the food here, look at this, y'all, is good. So if you're concerned about the food, you don't need to be concerned because look at this. So I don't think they had barbecue last night, but Leroy, we got some tonight. Is it good, boo?
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like? You don't know?
I'm not entirely sure, but it's
Okay.
good though.
Does it taste similar to anything you had?
It tastes like, almost like a breakfast sausage.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Mm-hmm.